This is Bob, and he likes to do things differently.
Hello, and welcome to Bob's Pest Control Cooking Show. Fast dishes rats hate to love. Today, 3 quick and easy dishes with cheese. A super simple cheese platter, the classic cheese toastie, and for our fancy rodents, a cheese fondue. Oh, and for entree, snappy crackers. Oh, just adjust that.
Bob's a pest controller who just loves helping his customers solve their pest control problem. And he tries
Come on, little rat.
really hard. If only Bob knew about TALON GT Pro, a special milled extruded grain block delivering attractive, palatable bait for high rodent activity. Part of the TALON range of Rodenticides, with over 40 years trusted performance worldwide. TALON GT Pro, the buffet block for fast, effective relief from high rodent activity. They'd come back for more if they could.
Next week, it's Bob's fast 15-minute favourites. Subscribe here, or there, or maybe even here. No, just subscribe.